Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Ford EcoSport battery. First, let's talk about safety. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your EcoSport is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. It's also crucial to work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any battery fumes. These simple steps ensure a safe and smooth charging process for everyone involved. Now let's connect the charger. First, locate your EcoSports battery, usually found under the hood on the passenger side. Take the red positive clamp from your charger and securely attach it to the positive battery terminal. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery itself. This grounding step is vital for safe operation. With the clamps connected, it's time to start charging. Set your battery charger to the correct voltage, which is typically 12 volts for most car batteries. For the best results and to prolong battery life, choose a slow charge rate like 2 amps. Let the battery charge for several hours, or until your charger's indicator shows it's fully charged. Patience here ensures a thorough and effective charge. Once your battery is fully charged, it's time to disconnect. Always remove the black negative clamp first, followed by the red positive clamp. Make sure to replace any battery covers or hold downs you might have removed during the process. For long-term battery health, consider having your EcoSports battery tested annually. This helps ensure it continues to provide reliable power for all your journeys.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.